it's Jenna from PSP, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Hanukkah menorah. You will need wooden clothespins, washable glue, yellow construction paper, paint, specifically blue, white, and silver glitter paint, paintbrushes, scissors, corrugated cardboard, and a ruler. Step 1. Paint 9 clothespins to represent candles in blues and white. You can make different shades of blue by adding white to blue paint, and then let it dry. Step 2. Now paint additional details such as stripes and dots with contrasting blues and white, and then let it dry. Step 3. With the help of an adult if you need it, cut a piece of corrugated cardboard about 13 inches by 2.5 inches, or 33 centimeters by 6.4 centimeters. Step 4. Measure 2 inches or 5 centimeters from each end and bend it back so that the strip of cardboard can stand on its own. Step 5. Paint the cardboard with paint and let it dry. If you have glitter paint, this adds extra dimension. You can add additional coats if you need, and then let it dry. Step 6. Set up the base, then clip the candles onto the strip of cardboard. Step 7. Cut out the flames from yellow construction paper and glue them to the top of the clothespins. And that's it. You're all done.